아는 거 세트.
그치. 이거 없고. Cho thơm nhộn rồi rồi qua khổng cái xuyên
This is table right here. You know, my mom and dad, my aunts, my uncles. You know, I made a lot of questionable choices in my life, but they never gave up on me. I want to say thank you. My mom and dad, my uncles. Thank you. Yeah. And this table right here is full too. Where's my mom and dad at? Where's my mom and dad? Just thanks to mom and dad. Eli.
Còn gần nhau lại xin nó mót cho không nào đấy.
One of my groomsmates, he's not making a speech tonight because he's really shy. But thank you guys for taking me into your family and taking me as one of your own. He is probably one of the best guys I've ever met in my whole entire life. You know, him and Tony, they've always been here for me my whole entire life. If I need something, it doesn't matter if it's an oil change, if I need my car, my brakes changed, you know, they're always there for me. So thank you too. And one person I do want to thank is my wife. I don't need a speech to tell her this, but I love you. I love you since the moment I met you. I love everything about you. I love you when you sleep. I love you when you're mad at me. I love when you're happy. You just make it so easy for me. You're the best part about me. Without you, I don't know where I would be at. I want to say I love you. I love you since I met you. And I hope loving you is the easiest thing in my life. And it's also the hardest thing in my life. Because without you, I don't think I'll ever love anybody ever again. I love you. And where's my yang? My auntie yang, because those two they don't, I don't know if they notice this, but they play a big role in our life. So, dude, where's Uncle Yang at?
Yo, what are you drinking?
What for? He's over there getting drunk.
What's up?
And I hope by the end of the night, I do not want to come out of here sober.
Okay. We'll see.
I want to stay drinking. Each and every single one of you guys, I love you guys. And once again, mom and dad, the best part of my life. My other mom and dad, I don't know where they're at. Oh, there she is! Look at her! Oh, Dad, you better come over here because
Show me love.
I love you, Dad. I want to say thank you for raising a beautiful woman. Without you, I don't know where I would be at. Dad, I love you so much. Thank you. I'm so glad that I have two dads in my life. They're the best. And one thing I love about my dad is that no matter how much I fucked up in life, he never gave up on me. Dad, thank you.
Celebrate with us. Thanks for not here. We're not going to have any place to celebrate. You guys are the best. I never expected this to come, I'm not gonna lie. I am loved by so many. And I love you guys all too. My husband. I love him to the moon. I'm not gonna lie. He does give me a hard time, but I would never, ever not love him ever. He's one of the best persons I've ever met. If it wasn't for my parents and my mother-in-law and father-in-law, I would never have met him. He's the best person. It's just something I never thought I'd ever have in my life. I just want to thank every single one of you for being able to come to our wedding. Yes, I never thought I expected this. So please enjoy your meal and have a fun night. Thank you.
Like I said, we leave out here sober. So if we do leave out here sober, I'll blame each and every single one of you. Boy, I see you over there. New, I see you over there as well too. So I want to drink from you. I want to thank you for being able to stay home. I see you over there as well too. So don't be shy.
Do a toast. Oh,
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much for coming. We appreciate you guys. And please, let us toast to having the best night of our lives.
One shot, everybody. And also, thank you, the best DJ ever. What is your name? All right, if you guys have not eaten here yet at Sheldon Gardens, you are in for a treat. This is by far my favorite place to eat. You guys enjoy it?
party ta chèn cờ luôn năng nhỏ nhỏ cá xé luôn chán luôn đi xé luôn thái xé luôn sau đây số lượng số tuổi tôi tổng họ bắt chước tổng công mong đâu có tôm nhỏ có luôn năng xé luôn thái xé năng kia và giờ tôi là tàu số giờ lúc xé sao tôi bắt chỉ tìm vào miệng là tôi cái luôn năng nó em bắt trâu này gì cái này sao số số tuổi tôi tổng tôm nhỏ luôn có để nó nữa
chỉ đua chia ta lại sang chia đua sa tao có lo trong cuộc mùa Ella junto a Chanel, ella le montó in toque. Come on, Steve, where are you? Y'all having fun? Come on, let's have some fun, huh? Hey, be in the back, stop drinking beer, come and dance. Lo gì nữa lo chỉ đua chia ta lại sang trên tối xa tao có lỡ trong cuộc mùa il mali halulunzi e che tutto